Yo guys, Veno here, Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I just want to talk about these net sizes. So this is an 8-foot net. This is good for prawns and if you want live mullet and that. So I'll use this one, and then when I want to chase bigger fish I'll just use this one. This is about 16 foot. But my recommendation is I like throwing the bigger nets because they're easier and they make a bigger circle. And these are good, but all you do is catch bait with it, and if you get a big fish in it, they'll rip it. So. This is about a 16-foot net. I like throwing it, but I like throwing it. So I can throw an 18-foot.
So you're about 5'8".
Yeah, I'm about 5'8".
And you're pretty freaking strong.
Yeah.
So you can throw 16 foot to 18 foot, yeah? So for someone like, say, my brother who's taller than you but skinnier than you, what would you suggest throwing? Maybe a
10 foot.
what, probably like a 14 foot to start with? Too big? Well, you need to explain.
But he'd probably throw a 10 foot.
10 foot?
The bigger you go, the heavier the leather is. So I'd suggest you use a smaller net if you're a little weakling.
Stay there. What? You want to go fishing? Oh, you want to throw the net? He wants to throw the net. Daddy will teach you. You'll get your own little net. Yeah?
So that's my tip for today. Yo guys.